Hidden connector. The first step is to insert a connector screw into each of the hidden connectors. Now gently tap the hidden connectors into each specified part. Try to line up the flat edge of the hidden connector with the edge of the board. Adjustments can be made by inserting your screwdriver at an angle into the connector screw and rotating the hidden connector. Next, line up the connector screw with the hole of the adjoining part. Attach the two parts by tightening the connector screw.